So now that we set up our Voyager tubes here, the best way to align them is to actually go to Color FX here to set. We'll go to a chase gradient, and now what that does, it helps us figure out where the tubes are actually placed when you load them into the app. So now we can physically either move them physically or move them around virtually, or we can still identify that tube actually itself. So now that we've organized the Voyager tubes, we want to go ahead and do a cascading effect. So how to do so is go to Set Color Effects. Let's go ahead and select our down chase video. Select the tubes that you want to select, and now we rotate them. When you rotate them, this will create a cascading effect.